Hi guys, it's Juliette. Welcome back to my Green Moments. Today the Green Moment is all about tools and things you need for your plant care routine. First and the most important tool is the soil moisture meter. You've seen me using this tool in my previous videos. You need just one tool for unlimited number of plants. You test the soil to make sure it's dry enough before you water your plant. This will help you to avoid over or under watering. Then we have a spray bottle here for misting and cleaning. Then you need watering can. I personally love this watering can. It's made by Lechuza. It's pretty enough for me just to leave it on the shelf. I don't have to hide it under the sink. Perfect. The next thing, which is very important as well, is the fertilizer. This plant food is the best. It's made by good dirt. It's all natural. There are no chemicals. You can use it all year round. You can use it every time you water the plant. You just need 1 teaspoon per gallon of water, so one bottle can last you a long time. The next tool I use is the sweeper. Very soft, very gentle, catches the dust without harming the leaves. For regular light cleaning of your plants, that's a tool to use. Good set of sharp scissors is very important to have for pruning and trimming. And then last but not least is the paper towels for deeper, better cleaning when needed. So where can you get those tools? Spray bottle, watering can, moisture meter, and a good dirt fertilizer. You can easily purchase in our online shop at mycityplants.com. All you have to do is just get to the accessories page, and we do ship all the accessories and tools nationwide so everyone can get them. Scissors, sweeper, and paper towels. You can buy anywhere online. I personally use Amazon, and Amazon has a great selection of scissors, so I would recommend going there. Well, that's all what you need. So gear up and go take care of your plants. I'll see you soon, and thank you for watching.